Item basically just got out of packaging. Really didn't do anything with it besides put a power adapter on it. First, the item is described as like new. There's some scuffs right there. A little bit of the rubber material's damaged right there. You can see this is bent and is no longer like circular. It's kind of bent down. This is a big, like there's a huge bent right here. It's a huge bend. And there's quite a lot of scratches on the side. Item was described as like new condition or excellent condition. Missing some things on the bottom there. I would not rate this excellent condition. I would rate this as fair. Give me a second. But I don't really care about that. Just kind of showing that it's not as described. What I do care about put it down for a second. What I do care about is this. If you look right here, when I touch the keys, it'll light up over here because this is the keyboard viewer. It'll show you what keys you're actually pressing. Hold on a second. Okay, so like 1, see 1 showing up, 2 showing up, 3 showing up, 4 showing up. Right? So here's Q, W, E, R, A, S, D, F. The left shift doesn't work. That was noticed on the thing. But what doesn't work is function over here. You don't see function. Or actually, control doesn't work. Function works, but control doesn't work. Control, that one, but that one works. This one doesn't work. The two between function and option do not work. Function and option do not work, and that's my main issue, and they don't work, so that's why I'm returning it.